Good afternoon, Tom Schaefer here with Blossom Installations. This is my Viper client whom 3 years ago, if you remember, I installed a Diamond HEX audio system in his vehicle form. This was the trunk installation with a little custom fiberglass enclosure to blend in the Diamond Audio 4-channel amplifier. In the front of the vehicle, a Pioneer PRS 80 audiophile grade receiver, and hidden behind the factory door panels is a set of Diamond Audio HEX 65 series speakers. We finally upgraded the subwoofer for part 2 of the system. These Vipers came with a 6.5-inch subwoofer, which was certainly lacking. What I built for him was a 3-piece mold that encloses a Diamond Audio 10-inch shallow subwoofer, and we went with a ported box to keep volume since this is a convertible with side pipes and about 8 foot of rubber on the road. I had a spare for the vinyl wrapping. I sent it out, had it stitched to keep the look of the car. Wrapped this box, used the factory subwoofer enclosure screws to hold the box in place. In the end, this 10-inch sub pounds. Just absolutely awesome. Exactly what this stereo was missing. 10-inch ported sub, full Diamond Audio HEX audio system in this Dodge Viper. Very cool stuff. Blossom Installations, Northeast PA, your technical, automotive, electrical installation experts. Blossom Installations.